Hey guys, look, I got the monthly Tonic craft kit for March. And no, I didn't miss doing one for February. I did not order the February kit. And come to find out, I believe they're still missing some items and it has not shipped out to those who did order it. But this one for March, I believe, is number 53. So look. Let's get all the goodies out. Oh, this is pretty. Huh, it looks like a tote bag. Let me get everything out and we'll take a look at everything. All right. So, wow, this is big. All right, so it is a tote bag. And it says Tonic Studios. It's really deep too. It's like, I don't know, 15. Let me see. It's got to be at least 15 inches. It's bigger than 12. Let's see. Yep, I'd say about 15. So 12. Yep, about 15. And about 13 by 15. So that's nice. I wonder if these are new or something that they've had for a while and just decided to put them in one of the boxes. I like it. All right. So I can't even tell you what the name of this kit is. I'm sure the kit will tell us. It is the Delicate Decor gift box. And if I recall, I decided that this would make a great card. And a cute gift box. But I don't have a lot of opportunities to use boxes. So, oh look, 53. I don't think the other ones had the number on it. I don't know. All right, so let's take a look at the die. Delicate Decor gift box. So we've got stamp set that says to a special friend, just for you, made with love, with all my love. And then it stamps the top and bottom. So this one says thank you. And then these little ones say thanks for you and with love. And there's instructions on how to make the box. And it's a cute little box that you tie with a string up on top. Let me show you. See the little edges fold in, and then you tie with a string on top. And then that's a card. So that's cute. I like. All right, so let's see what other goodies we have. Let me put the papers away. We'll do those last. All right, so the back is pretty full, so let's see what's in it. We get some scissors. Whoops. All right, so this is Stone Drops in, doesn't say what color, crushed aloe, crushed aloe. Yes, it does. It's kind of like the green of an aloe plant. Stone drops. I don't know that I've had stone drops before. Here is French macaroon in the little mini ink pad. It's a light yellow. Oh, this is a big bottle of something. It says opal cream. Oh, sequence. Pure sheen confetti adds instant sparkle to every craft project. So these are pretty cool. I don't know if you can see, but they just capture the light and change color. They're so pretty. And it's a nice big bottle. 1.7 ounces pure sheen confetti. So that's cool. All right, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, embossing powder and frayed leaf, which is a green color. Crafter's ribbon in buttermilk. That's a pretty color. Ooh, some gems. Square. Those are pretty. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Oh, double-sided red line tape in the 1/4 inch. Nice. Oh, one more thing's in here. Cream gold in the Nouveau. I think this is mica mist. I think this is what they call it. Let me see. Sparkle spray. Ideal for adding luxurious glittery finish to a craft project. Nice, it's real pretty. Real sparkly. That's a lot. I think that's it. Yep, that is a lot though. This is a good box. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different things in this one. Nice. All right, so then let's take a look at the paper. All right, so let's see. Let's see this. Let me see, where does the paper start? I'm reading the card. This is pattern paper. Just says Spring Meadow pattern paper. So let's see. So they're double-sided. There's 2 of these with a very light yellow gingham. 2 of these. And that's got just a pale zigzag. I like this stripe in that. It's not a minty green. I'm not sure what it is. Sage green, maybe. And then there's a flower pattern on the back of that. And then This is a stitch pattern, like a quilt. And then little flowers on this side. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8 sheets of the pattern paper. And then it says, this is classic card in sea salt green. I'm thinking that's what that is. And then there should be another classic card. Oh, here it is. Classic card in buttermilk yellow. Mirror card in spring silver. Mirror card in champagne gold. Oh, you know, I'm thinking this was the silver and this. So that was the silver mirror card. And this is the water sprite. See the color? I don't know if you can see. Oh, yeah, you can. See how the light shines and changes colors on that one. So that's the water sprite. Specialty card in double cream. That is so pretty. Can you see that? It has kind of like a linen look and texture to it. And then ombre glitter. Ooh. In opalescent green. Oh my gosh, I love that ombre. Nice. And then regular glitter card in lemon sherbet. That is lemon, all right. Oh, this is my favorite piece. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All right. And then we went through everything else. So number 53 is in the books. Delicate Decor gift box. I love this one in the light yellow. So pretty. So pretty. So this here, let's look at the die more closely because I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so they used this die here to make those panels. So you could use this one too, and then use this one to make there are 2 different ones, so you can use it and flip it over and then use it as a little frame with this part. So little tags, cute, very cute. I'm glad that they started with these more intricate boxes and stuff, putting the instructions inside so you don't have to guess, because sometimes I'm not very good at guessing. All right, so that's it for Tonic Craft Kit number 53, Delicate Decor gift box. So if you got this, let me know. If you've made anything with it, I'm really interested in making some cards with it. So, but not with this piece of paper, because I think I'm going to have to treasure this one because it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. So, all right, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate any time you spend time watching the videos. If you're a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate it. If you feel that incline and hit the like button. I appreciate all the likes we can get. We're slowly growing subscribers, so that's nice. I just celebrated 1 year at the end, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and I forgot to mention it. So I mean, this is wonderful. I appreciate all your support. If you've been with us just for a few days or been since the beginning, I appreciate it. So all right, so that's it. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Let me know in the comments. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.